Babylonian Mathematics, Quadratic Problems, Example 8.8. The next modern method for solving quadratic equations that we are going to look at, or to review, I guess, for hopefully most of us, is the modern quadratic formula. And the example that we're given is 4x squared plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So the first thing you want to make sure of when you're using the modern quadratic formula is that you have your equation in descending order equal to 0. That's standard form. And our equation has been presented to us just that way. So we're all set to go. And the first thing we want to do is we want to identify the coefficients, since the quadratic formula uses the coefficients. And a, which is our coefficient on x squared, is equal to 4. B, or the coefficient on x, is equal to positive 5. And C, which is our constant term, is equal to negative 6. Make sure you bring the signs along with the numbers. All right. The next thing we want to do is we want to evaluate the radicand from the formula, which is simply b squared minus 4ac. So that's a lot of work in and of itself, so we'll just do it separately. All right, so b is equal to 5. Let me use a different color here. A is equal to 4. C is equal to negative 6. Now you're welcome to use your calculators to evaluate this expression if you like, but it's not that bad. 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times positive 4 times negative 6 is positive 96. And when I add 25 plus 96, I have 121. So the radicand in my formula, b squared minus 4ac, is equal to 121. All right, I'm going to go ahead now and plug everything else into the formula. So x is equal to minus b, which is the opposite of b. Since b was equal to 5, that's minus 5, plus or minus the square root of 121 all over 2a, which means 2 times a. And since a was equal to 4, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. This answer, here's our answer. But this answer can be simplified because the square root of 121 is a number that I know. That's 11. So I'm going to continue to simplify this equation. And again, that's a shortcut for x is equal to negative 5 plus 11 all over 8, or x is equal to negative 5 minus 11 all over 8. And we can now continue. Negative 5 plus 11 is 6. 6 over 8 simplifies to 3/4. So x equal to 3/4 is one solution. Looking at my other solution, negative 5 and negative 11, that's negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2. So x equal to negative 2 is the other solution.